Hello friends, this is Azim from Shazam, and in this lecture we are going to start with PHP and PHP 5. We are going to talk about the PHP syntax, how we can write our PHP code or execute our code on the web server. We will use the PHP built-in function, which is the echo for printout or the execution of our first paragraph or statement. First of all, if you are working offline, I mean if you are working on your local computer or local host, then you must have a local host server software for the execution of PHP code and statement. So in the previous video we already have been installed and run and set up our localhost server, which is the XAMPP for the learning and experiment process of PHP. Make sure you have a local host server installed on your PC or if you are working on your Mac. So let's get started with our course. A PHP script is always executed on the server. You can write the PHP code anywhere in the document. A PHP script starts with less than question mark sign PHP and it is end with question mark and greater than sign. You can see here in this example, and in a few minutes we are going to learn with the complete practical. So the default file extension for PHP files is .php. So we are going to write HTML basic structure first, so we will be easy with our work. So when you are going to start with PHP, make sure that your localhost XAMPP control panel is running. So in the control panel XAMPP, you can see you will have the Apache and MySQL server that has been started. So it is very necessary to start your local Apache server and MySQL server. So first of all we will write our HTML basic structure for this. So here you can see I am typing my PHP script first because HTML is the basic structure for the web development or web designing. If you have no idea about HTML, then go down to my videos and you will find HTML complete course, and you can also learn about the HTML. So now I will write PHP code to execution of my paragraph. I will use built-in function which is echo to print out the paragraph. So our code which is between these codes is going to be displayed on the web server. So first of all we will save our file, and we have to save our file in our XAMPP server. So go to your server, where is the location of your localhost XAMPP server, and in the XAMPP server go to htdocs, and here you will save your file, which is b, and the extension will be .php, learning php.php. I have been saved my file as .php extension. Now we will try to execute our code or print our code, which is my first PHP script. First we will give it title learning PHP. Now go to your Google Chrome or your browser, what is. So here you will have to first put localhost, then slash, and then the file which is the name. Your code will never be run if you are not running your Apache server and MySQL server. So go to XAMPP control panel and run these two, Apache and MySQL. So now go to browser and refresh it, and you can see our code is executing now. So you can also write your code in PHP with echo statement and echo function. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.